What is Otter.ai? At its core, Otter.ai is an AI-powered meeting assistant that uses natural language processing, NLP, to transcribe spoken conversations into text in real time. While it started as a simple transcription app in 2026, it has evolved into a collaborative workspace that records, transcribes, summarizes, and even captures meeting slides automatically. Key features for 2026. Autopilot, your automated meeting co-pilot that joins Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams calls for you, even if you're double booked. AI Chat, the meeting brain. You can now chat with your transcript. Ask, what did Sarah say about the budget? And Otter will instantly find the answer and cite the specific moment. Automated summaries. Within minutes of a meeting ending, Otter generates a TLDR summary with categorized action items and key decisions. Multi-language support. While historically English-focused, Otter now supports Spanish and French, making it more accessible for international teams. Slide capture. If someone shares a screen during a virtual meeting, Autopilot automatically snaps a screenshot of the slide and inserts it into the transcript for context. How Otter works, a step-by-step guide. Getting started with Otter is designed to be set it and forget it. Connect your calendar, link your Google or Outlook calendar. Otter will see your upcoming meetings and ask if you want it to auto-join. The AI bot joins. When the meeting starts, the Autopilot bot enters as a participant. It begins recording and transcribing immediately. Real-time highlighting. During the call, you and your teammates can click the highlight button on any sentence to flag it as a key takeaway or action item. Review and edit. Once the meeting ends, you'll receive a polished transcript. You can click any word to play the audio from that exact moment, perfect for clarifying a confusing sentence. Share and sync. Export the notes to a PDF, sync them with Slack, or push action items directly into your CRM like Salesforce or HubSpot. What does it cost? Otter remains one of the more affordable options on the market, though its free tier has become more of a trial than a long-term solution. Is Otter right for you? You should use Otter if you spend more than 5 hours a week in meetings, you are a journalist or student who needs to transcribe interviews and lectures. You want a searchable brain for every conversation your company has ever had. Together, let's build a workplace equipped for the digital age. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and get notified for daily updates.